2,500 of those outages right here in Denver, which was, of course, also hit hard by that wind.
Yeah, Denver 7 Sophia Villalba is joining us live. And Sophia, you have a firsthand look at some of the damage.
Yeah, that's right, Anusha. As you can see from the black SUV behind me, a huge branch just toppled on top of this black SUV. And it isn't just this big branch. There's a bunch of other little smaller branches surrounding this entire car. Also on the other side, going into other traveling lanes. Now, I did want to point out the lane that this car is in. After 6 a.m., cars are supposed to be out of this lane. So I've been seeing a lot of cars as traffic starts to pick up as the 6 a.m. hour rolls along, swerving over to other lanes last minute. Also, along with that, the lane next to it has a bunch of debris in half of that lane. So a lot of cars had to go over to the next lane after that. And, you know, this damage is pretty hefty. If it isn't causing a big dent on top of the car, there for sure are a lot of scratches. So as you can see, the amount of traffic, you'll see this car move over right now because this black SUV is supposed to be out of the way, and traffic has just been picking up all morning. We've been here for about 45 minutes and traffic has been picking up since we've been here. So we'll be out here all morning looking at this damage, and we'll be sure to give you any new updates. Live in Denver, Sophia Villalba, Denver 7.
All right, thanks so much, Sophia.